Stop debt collectors from calling. How can you stop debt collectors from calling? You know your bills are out of control. You're just not sure what to do about it. How can you stop the calls when you don't have the money they're demanding? What if you want to stop debt collectors from calling? You should first understand what's allowed and what's not. Although debt collectors must obey provincial laws, they are under no obligation to educate you. You should be informed. You can request that debt collectors only contact you in writing, but remember that their only job is to extract money from you. So unless you set up a payment arrangement, they're not going to stop. In general, a debt collector can call you at work. Provide an alternate phone number and inform them in writing that you cannot accept personal calls in your office. Good luck, though. A bill collector can also call your employer for your employment status, but not to discuss your financial situation. Still, that's little consolation when you would prefer to keep your personal financial matters, well, personal. You may feel harassed by that ringing phone, but the laws aren't crystal clear on what constitutes harassment. Technically, debt collectors can call you every day, though in Ontario, they can't talk to you or leave a voicemail message more than 3 times a week. That won't stop collectors from using an auto dialer, however, to ring your number repeatedly if you don't answer. Although there are laws to protect you, debt collectors have a lot of leverage. What you need is a plan. Consider these tips. Is the collection agency, for example, using abusive language or calling you on your mobile? Inform them in writing that this behavior is not allowed. Sometimes you can stop the harassment and perhaps the calls by simply putting them on notice that what they are doing is illegal. Work out a reasonable payment arrangement. Make sure it's something you can actually do. If you break the arrangement, things will only get worse. Before you strike a deal, though, ask yourself 2 important questions. 1, can you keep the arrangement until the past due is repaid? 2, can you then handle your debt going forward? If you answered yes to these questions, call the debt collector and work it out. What if it's not that simple? What if you actually aren't able to pay enough to keep the creditors at bay? That's when a professional licensed insolvency trustee can help. Call to schedule a no-obligation consultation with a trustee at Adamson Associates. The consultation is free, and you'll have real options. Your trustee can put an immediate end to debt collector phone calls and help you build a brighter financial future.